your girl Reef Wifey with another video and an update. Guys, emergency major water change. We're gonna be taking out all the water, the sand, so we had to make an emergency stop at the Big Little Fish store, and he's getting some water. So my husband is back in the car. Babe, can you tell us a little bit of what's going on?
Yeah, so we really don't know what's going on. That's the reason we're doing a 100% water change on the saltwater reef tank. I have no idea what is going on, but I think I disturbed the reef, and I don't know what happened.
So we are home, and this is the current status of our tank. The Signalaria is depressed, and the rock and these corals, the zoas, these guys over here, it's just not good. So this is the current situation. We're gonna take care of it today. Bucket number 1 set. And so what's going on here?
So there's quite a bit of things wrong with the reef. Obviously the corals are not looking so hot. There's a lot of retraction on a lot of corals, even the little softy ones, the Signalaria and the Duncan coral. So I kind of basically know whenever the reef's not doing well, based off of those 2 corals, that something's wrong with my water chemistry. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna do a 100% water change. I'm gonna re-aquascape everything, and then we are going to be removing the sand as well. So it's gonna be a complete overhaul.
Oh man.
Yep.
All right guys, so y'all heard, we're gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna set up the camera and record everything. Hopefully this fixes our issue, because this is definitely no bueno. Okay guys, he is finally done. Everything's in there. We're just gonna give it a couple hours for the sand to sit and everything to just clear up a little bit, and I'll show y'all the final update. Give me just a few minutes. Y'all saw Mr. Clean everything up real nice for me because I love this place nice and tidy, as he promised. So water change completely done. He said right now that this is definitely a life lesson. He said that he knows better for next time not to mess with the tank because it's definitely gonna upset everybody, as we saw. So we're gonna be very careful, and I'm gonna be posting updates on our adventure with the Reef. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy my content, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.